All right, we're going to complete the square. So the first thing I'm going to do is move my 10 to the other side. I like to have all my variables on the left and all my numbers on the right. So I'm going to write x squared plus 6x plus a blank is equal to negative 10. The blank is there because I want to complete the square. I want to pick something that I can fill in this blank with that will allow me to be able to factor the problem. The way I do that is I always take half of the middle term and I square it. So half of 6 is 3 and 3 squared is 9. Now the rule is that if I add 9 on the left, I have to add 9 on the right. That's the rule in algebra. So now I am going to just complete the square by actually factoring this left-hand side. So that would become x plus 3 times x plus 3, because factors of 9 that add up to give me 6 would be 3 and 3. And that would equal 1. But this is actually the same thing as x plus 3 quantity squared equals 1. This number right here will always be half of that number. That's the way it's designed. So how does this relate to a circle? So H and K are going to be the center of my circle, and R is going to be the radius. So you'll notice that the X part of this looks awfully a lot like what we just did. So we can use completing the square to find the equation of a circle, and then we can use that to graph it. So in this example, 4 would be my H, so that would be the X value. Negative 3 would be my Y. That's because it looks like Y minus negative 3. So what I plugged in was a negative 3 to make that a positive 3. R squared is equal to 9, so R would be equal to 3. So if I were going to graph this, I'd go over 4, down 3, that would be the center. I'd go up 3, left 3, down 3, and right 3, and I'd do the best I can to draw a nice little circle.